Masisipag po sila, sir, masisipag po silang mag-aral. Kahit na po kung nakikita niyo po kayo na kahit lang po sila nakatsinelas. So pumapasok din po sila, tapos napakabibo po nila.
Yung mga tao dito, mga masasayahin, kahit walang makain, basta sama-sama lang ang pamilya.
The projects grew from mere relief. We rebuilt the rural health unit, and then we did a daycare center. And the biggest project that we did actually was to rebuild a school.
We want to provide tools for the kids to, study hard, go to high school, hopefully go to college, tools to make a better future for themselves and for their families.
Kasi nakita nyo naman yung iba naka-uniforme, kaso walang sapatos. Yun talaga.
Napakalaking tulong po yun sa mga bata. Kasi po, kung nag-aaral nga sila, sir, na wala silang sapatos, how much more ngayon pag may sapatos na sila?
It's easy to describe on paper, on Facebook, or on social media that these kids don't have shoes, that they take a very long time to walk up to the school coming from their houses. What we actually did was experience the climb up to the school. Tinanong ko si John Paul na parang, pagod ka na? Ako, ang gusto ko marinig, hindi. Kasi sanay na akong gawin to araw-araw. Pagod ka na? Oo daw, pagod na siya. So even if he does this every day, he's very tired and he's not in school yet. He's not even in school yet and he has to go there and then go back.
Malayo-layo naman po, mas mapagod po kami. Tsaka minsan po may late kami. Pag tag-ulan po, hindi po kami makakapasok. Pag tag-ulan, kasi po minsan pipilitin lang po namin na pumasok dahil para lang po sa aming kinakabukasan. Sinabi ng mama ko, mag-aaral kayo ng mabuti para paglaki nyo, meron kayong trabaho para hindi kayo magmamakaawa.
Pinaka-dream ko lang po na makita ko silang matapos sa kanilang pag-aaral at umangat ang buhay nila. Yun lang talaga, para at least naman may pagbabagong makikita sa kanila.